When I was growing up, I had visions of fantastical giant robots that would fight for good, and amazing vehicles that had a configuration for every situation. Cool engineers and inventor types that were knowledgeable enough to get out of any predicament. Or strong warrior characters with indestructible weapons that fought to protect that which was good. The influence of these shows told me of what I was to become, an engineer. I've spent countless hours of contemplating on how I can make that which I've seen into reality. Now, I have the power to do it. I've designed and created many things, and I've been doing it for over 25 years. And now, it's time for me to share my process with you. I draw inspiration from concept art, shapes, ideas, media, nature, whatever. I'm going to show you how to take a vision and step by step make it into a reality. I'll share with you the tricks that I've used to help me create things for over 25 years. Now, join me as I endeavor to create a whole new plethora of projects. From the simple, the niche, to the overly complex. This is Designed by Purpose. Check. Yo, whoa, hey there. How you doing? Good evening to everybody, to everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host, Robotronics09. This is another episode or installment of Designed by Purpose, your show for real-time engineering with your one and only engineer host, me, DVP. Hey. So hopefully you were able to check out the first official episode on yesterday. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So thank you so much for checking that out. We really appreciate it. Me, myself, and I, and the wonderful team that's making all this happen. So yeah, we appreciate it. And hopefully we're going to be bringing some more. We're going to do this on a regular. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what the schedule is going to be like and what exactly it entails. What exactly it's going to entail. So bear with us as we work through those things. I say we, it's like we because I'm including you, the viewers. I'm including you, the viewers, in the, but I can't do it right now. Gonna have to come back on that. Man, why that song switched so abruptly? Kill the DJ. Although this is one of my tracks I like. All right, so just to catch you back up to speed, if this is the first time you're actually checking out the stream, of course you know who I am. I'm your host. What we're going to be doing is real-time engineering via project. So we're using CAD software. This is Solidworks 2017. My own copy of it. I have not updated yet, but we'll be using Solidworks 2017, and this current project is my Hero TX for Hero Transmitter. This is going to be my go-to radio control for all my projects as of right now. That's the game plan. So I'm really looking forward to getting it done. This radio is based upon my own design here at Designed by Purpose. We are really into custom one-off type deals. And I think about engineering a lot like art, at least as far as my own things go. Now, if you're building a bridge, the architecture part of it is art. So there's some art, but there's structural part to it. So I'm not negating or saying, oh, well, the structural part isn't really important. No, I'm just saying when I'm sitting down to try to build something or design something, that's the art part I'm referring to. So again, this is my radio. My hope is for it to be my go-to radio
for all my radio controlled antics, creations that I look forward to making. And so that's what it is. It has taken inspiration from my Xbox One controller, my custom one. Let me go put that on there so you can see. You should be able to see it down there. There he goes, right down there, right down there. Just make it bigger so you can see it. Yeah, so you can see kind of the resemblance, the inspiration. Yeah, I mean, I've always, I got plenty of radios. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Did you miss me? All right, I'm back. So, so you can kind of see the radio family there, right? Kind of see if the Xbox One controller and my Futaba had a baby, maybe it would come out with my hero. So that's what we're going for here. So kind of the best of both worlds, in my opinion, of what I want. And I've always, whenever I'm driving or using a radio controlled something, vehicle or whatever, I'm always thinking to myself, why am I controlling this? Why does my controller feel like this box instead of a gamepad? I always feel like, well, why doesn't it feel more like a gamepad? So this is kind of my solution, my own personal answer to that problem. So, all right. So the catch up, that's kind of catch up from yesterday. Definitely check out the other video. I'm gonna try to keep them at an hour. I may lengthen them out to an hour and a half with breaks, because I have some other things other than just watching me do CAD. I got some things, like some topics I'd like to discuss about, like design and engineering and different things like that. Different, I was gonna say nerdy things, but different robotic things, stuff like that, engineering type stuff. This channel is all about engineering and design, so that's what we're going to be talking about. So like I said, I may lengthen it out a little bit, and put some breaks in there just to break up the stuff so doesn't get too tedious or too mundane. But regardless whether you guys are joining me or not, I have to get this stuff done because I actually need this controller built. So I hope you can enjoy the ride and come along for the ride. So tonight, let's see what we got. So yesterday, I ended off at least starting the secondary front bumper. Yep, I have the secondary front bumper started. Let me see if I can start trimming it. Let me see if I can remember how I'm going to trim it. Oh goodness. I'm trying to think of how am I going to even go about doing this. Let me see. I'm going to measure from there, and then I'll know how much. All right, so let's measure. I'm going to measure from this tip to where this flat starts. Let's see what we got. Now the thing is, because I have this at some weird angle, I don't know how to get, well, no, that has the measurement right there. Is that it? Oh, shoot. You know what I need? I need this to go straight up. How much? Let me see if I can maybe do some math on it or something. Okay, so first problem I'm running into, I'm not really sure why that's a point to point. Is there another? Well, something I didn't do good. I didn't do right. Center, maximum distance. What is that? Nope. Pressing the wrong buttons. That's not doing me any good. Threw me for a loop. XY. Where is that XY? Show. I think the problem I'm having is because this. So you see how my XYZ is set up, and the dimension I want is actually. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what this dimension is. Oh, because those are on the same plane. Oh, I want a dimension that's not. Okay, I see. I want a dimension that goes up. This in line with this that goes up and comes down like that. And that's not how the coordinate system, coordinate system not set up like that. So let me pull this down a little bit. So now this would be where I'd reach out to my viewers, the lifeline, but unfortunately it's kind of quiet on the set tonight. So I'm gonna have to figure this out myself. Okay. It's okay. I can do it. Can we measure this dimension? Can I see what this is? Little AOL. Okay, look, we got where's my notepad? My trusty handy dandy notepad. Let's get that going. Notepad. So I got me a little scratch. So that's one thing. And so that's one thing that it's kind of a necessity, even though I don't have it really set up good here as of yet. This is still a work in progress. Let me go to my bench. You see my bench. Ultimately, I'm going to design a new bench and on the stream, specifically for the stream. But right now, this is what I'm working with. But yeah, having a notepad, a scratch notepad at your desk or whatever, whenever you're doing design work is like a must, really. And normally I have a spiral notepad just sitting on top of my desk and I just write in it anywhere. But now I don't really have it, but this is my little travel, my first version of my little travel case that I designed. Excuse me, I'm sorry, y'all. And we'll we'll go over this. We'll talk about it later on a later stream. But I call it my magic notebook, because anything I draw in here becomes a reality. So it's my magic notebook. So remember that, and I'll show you some examples at some time. Okay, so back to this. Let me write down. Let me see. 0.12866361. Okay, so now I'm going to subtract. So I'm gonna clear out of that. Let me hit escape. Let's open. Maybe I can try to edit it in here. Let me see here. Well, okay. Maybe if I do this, if I take this side and I made it to this, I may be able to edit it right here in the assembly and get let's try this. That's a little bit too thick though. Hey, look at that. Hey. Let me clear that. Let me try this. think this, hold on. All right. All right. I'm going to do some different things. So let's see. I need to change this thickness. The thickness of my bumper plate isn't right. It's not quite right. It's a little bit thicker. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't even have my the screen back up. I'm sorry. I'm back. Forgive me. I'm sorry. All right. Thickness of my bumper plate should be roughly 0.1132885. All right, so let's go back and let's change this. All right, using my gestures for those who maybe don't know. I mean, because I didn't know. You hold down the right mouse button and roll your mouse in a direction, you'll get this little wheel. This has, I'm using the 8 one, so it has 8 individual wedges basically, but the stock one is a 4. And then you can assign them to it. So if there's a command that you like to use all the time, you can map it to your gesture wheel. I'll show you how to do that if anybody has any questions. Like, and I normally use it on the default. I'm just now starting to learn how to use it more, so I'm getting into it. Okay, I fixed this. I'm gonna have to come back and let me see if I can unfix it. Uh-oh. Well, that's a good question. How do you unfix something? Maybe I can do it individually. Can I unfix that? Oh, shoot. Ooh, okay. Maybe I can take this and delete. Delete. Okay. Maybe it's just the points. That one's not. Let's see. All right, so looks like I can delete these points. Let's see here. Because what I'm trying to do is I need to make it a little bit skinnier. Okay, that's looking good. Let's see here. Nothing's on the ends. I don't know why this one. Let's see if I can get this. Delete it. All right. Hitman. We're gonna do it. We're gonna jam out to this one day. Not today. I'm gonna save that for another time. Can I fix this one? Okay. All right. So now. Let's do this. Click on that one. Let's click on this one. Make them equal. What happened there? I'm not sure what happened. Let's grab this. Okay, keep that as it is. Oh man, what's going on, dude? Don't mess with that one because it needs to shrink as this goes in. What is going on? I'm concerned. these need to stay. I think they need to stay where they are with regard or relationship to one another. When I change this to 0.1132885, did everything play nice, or did something blow up? I don't know. I can't really tell. I'm gonna make these vertical. Maybe. All right. Well, we're just gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it right there and believe that everything things didn't blow up. Okay. Let's come back to the. Now again, maybe you guys can see and understand what I'm doing here. I have this body of the controller, and what I'm doing is I'm making face plates for it. So I've already printed that out, 3D printed it out. And now I'm actually putting, I don't like the way, well, I didn't plan on using that finish. Like when you 3D print, depending on which way you printed it, the layer lines produce a certain finish. And I didn't plan on using that on its own. Oh, I know. My main thing was the curves. That was the thing. Cause the reason why I'm having the face plates, now that I remember, I was talking, but I wasn't making as much sense as I wanted to make. So let me show this for you. Okay. So, hey, peep the shirt. If you know, you know. So I made these plates. I'm making these plates because I wanted a certain detail on the curved edges. I wanted the curved edges to look smooth. I wanted the let me see if I can. It's out of focus because it's not auto focusing. See that curved edge? I wanted that curved edge to be smooth. I didn't want it to look like the topographical maps. And maybe I could have just done it, printed this all at once and had those curved edges in there. But I'll let you look at it. I'll let you see it closer on the other angle at another time. But this chamfer on the edge produces these raised bumps. There's like it needs to be filed a little bit. Anyways, I for some reason I can't remember exactly. Oh, and I also need the faceplate to cover up these the screws, because the heads of the screws are going to be here. Now I can countersink them, but there's certain screws that I was going to hide to make it look cleaner. Because you can see once you put on this faceplate, once you put on the faceplate, you'll only see screws at certain locations. So you won't see the screws that hold in the gimbal. You won't see the screws that are holding in the buttons and all that stuff. Those will be hidden. It'll just be screws that you see for the faceplate. So there's reasons why I had the faceplate, and that's in line with what Futaba and other manufacturers have always done, where they build the body and then they have the faceplate on there to cover up some of the screws and stuff. So I'm doing the same thing. All right, let's get back to this. So I shrank. Yep, that looks better. And the cool thing about 3D printing, which I like so much, oh no, hold on, is that pretty much what you see is what you're going to get. Now I see that this, I might have to, see over here, these plates aren't matching up good. So they may have matched, this edge matched up over here. What is going on? Hold on, let me see. I think so I'm gonna take that. I think I can do it. Yeah, I think you can follow that line around. I think so. Now here's a question I have for you guys. When I go to edit a part in an assembly, It used to. I know SolidWorks. It used to where the part that I'm trying to edit would like become like semi-transparent or something. So it's easier for me to see things to snap it to. But I see now when I do it, it's like it doesn't do that anymore or something. I don't know if it's, and I don't know if I'm just doing the wrong combination of things and it's no longer activating or what. But anyways, that's just something that I thought I observed. All right, so let me see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this opaque again. I'm going to try to edit it in the assembly and see if I can cut this portion out. So I'm going to see if I can trace these lines. And then cut that portion out of the whatchamacallit. All right. Let's do this. Let's put this back. All right, so I got that back. I'm going to go normal to this. So I'm normal to that. I'm going to edit this part in place, part in assembly. I think I am. Gosh, what in the world? Edit part. I was like, man, what in the world? Okay, edit part. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this. I'll select that face and do a sketch. See, it used to be where I could see and still. And I don't know if I'm missing something. See, it used there. Well, all right, it hit that. It's like it would automatically. I could still see those other parts. It looks like it is seeing it, but I can't. I can't physically see it. Let me see if there's if I can change this opacity or something. Oh, no, that's tangency. Now I can cheat and actually make the part a little translucent. Oh, that's what I'm missing. Yo, okay, I see. This is when you do wireframe and stuff. This is when you say, oh, I need to do a little wireframe. Hold on, let me see. All right, so let me see. This is when you do that. If I can see it. Well, I don't have to be. I've already selected a plane. I don't have to necessarily be in it, I don't think. Hold on. Yeah, I think it's this line right here. Well, I can't be sure of that. Can I do back? Can I go? Is that at an angle? All right, we're gonna. I didn't have to do that, or actually do this instead of doing that. Let me take this. I had stopped editing. Wait, collinear. Technically, you could. Yeah, you can. I had stopped editing in the assembly because my computer was having some issues. Like it would get really slow when I was doing it. Sorry, let's go here. Let's go extrude cut. Man, that just dawned on me. It was like, oh, change your view so you can see it in. But again, that wasn't. I didn't have to do that in the past. We'll just make it that, and let's see what happens. All right, so let's just see what happened. See if I managed to get it right. If I did, that'd be cool, bruh. What? Oh, because there's some kind of angle thing going on. Okay, I see. But I can fix that. I think I can. I should be able to fix that. I have to figure out how to shave that angle off. I might have to do it. I might have to do it manually with a file once I print it. But I did get what I was trying to do. So that worked. That did work. Praise the Lord, that worked. Let me hit that good old save button. Yeah. Praise break. Hey, what? I got a viewer. Check it out. Fees on the line. Evil Cutie Cosplay. I hope I can say it. Thank you for tuning in, stopping by. I appreciate it. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So hi to you. Hope everything's going well. Hope your streams have been going well. I saw you've been going live. Wasn't able to check it out quite yet. I mean, I've watched the repost, but I didn't like long get live the other day. But I'll have to check you out. But you can see what we're doing over here. We're over here doing some engineering. Most people are like, I don't want to do that after work. Well, but this is what I do. Yeah, this is what's going on. This is we're building. Oh, just to catch you quickly up to speed, this is my new transmitter. I'm building me a transmitter for all my radio control needs. And there it is. This is my other cam. This is my drawing board. This is my drawing board. Yep. This is the engineering. This is the engineering type show. Most people. So yeah, you can see my radios back there, my Futaba in the middle. You can see my Xbox, my custom Xbox One controller, and then you can see the love child of the two. And this is what I'm making, my hero transmitter. So this is my first 3D prints of it. My first 3D prints of it, but I'm printing it as I design it. So I made a CAD model, and I went ahead and started printing it, and then I'm tweaking the CAD model after I kind of fit it up. So you're watching me. This is what you're watching me do, is design and build this thing in real time. So that's what's going on with this. That's what this show is all about. Design by purpose. Yes, thank you very much. I am using PLA. Wait a second. Okay, I'll be here. But this is all PLA. All right, so let me see here. Let's see here. I got that. Now this is a slight problem. So now I got to figure out. But you know what? Let me turn this off for a second. Let me turn this off for a second. This line, well, I don't think that's gonna matter. Come on. This line, oh my gosh, I'm not on my view again. I'm sorry, I turned off the bumper. I am now looking back at the first bumper, and how they're not matching up. And so I may need to, let's turn this bumper back on. Show. What I may need to do is take this bumper and shear this off, plane that off using the new bumper. I think that's what I might have to do. Just go in there. And the thing, I need to learn how you do it in SolidWorks, like in Autodesk and AutoCAD. I was pretty good at being able to use this plane to slice or cut off this plane. I think you can do it in SolidWorks. I just don't know how to do it yet. So at least I don't know the most efficient way to do it. I can hack it up. I think that's what I'll do. So that's cool. I think that won't be that big of a deal. Let me see here. All right, let's see if we can get this bottom straight. Let's take this, change transparency. So what's going to need to happen is I'll go through here and cut. Check. Whoa. Making sure I got my audio up. I go through here and cut this. But I'm cutting it at the top. I'm cutting it at this gray. I was like, well, maybe I should cut it. Maybe I should just cut it at the bottom. The thing, if I cut it at the bottom, if I cut it at this edge right here, if I cut it through here, then when I disassemble this thing, you're going to have this overhang part. And these are supposed to be two halves. You have the top half and you have the bottom half. And this is the parting line. And I'd like it to have I'd like it from the outside to have a clean cut. Now, if it has a lip on the inside of it to locate the two pieces, I don't have a problem with that. And actually, I'm planning on having a lip. But on the outside, I'd like it to be a clean separation. I wouldn't want this to overhang. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna cut that. All right, so let's do this. I got it, that piece in transparent mode. I'm going to edit part. Let's see if I have it. See, and then it goes back to opaque. I'm gonna come on here. I'm gonna say sketch. What? Oh shoot. Okay, I was like, well, it wasn't doing it. All right. So as you can see, gonna do this rough. Just to see what happens. All right, I got that. Hit enter, come over here. I'm having some hiccups, but my computer's got a lot going on right now, so I'll give it some slack. So that's why I stopped editing in the assembly, because I didn't know my computer would kind of hiccup a little bit, and I didn't know how stable it was going to be. All right. Hey, okay. Oh, okay. I was able to cheat and I found a parting line, and I was able to just kind of grab hold of that, so I didn't even have to worry about being transparent. I'm backed out of that. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Tonight's special guest, Evil Cutie cosplay. All right. Well, you missed. I managed to get. I thought I was gonna be in a trouble spot for a second, but I need to take my my bumper plate. This light gray piece right here is my bumper plate. My light gray piece right here is my bumper plate, and I wanted to trim it back so that it stopped at the parting line of these two pieces. So this is the bottom assembly, bottom or back of my controller, and then the dark gray, right, the lighter gray is the top. And so this bumper piece, this aluminum looking gray, is only supposed to be there. It's the same type piece as this. So let me see if I can do it. Yep. So this is the front bumper plate for the right side, and this is the bumper plate for the lower left. What'd you say? Let me see here. Yes, I am in assembly. Yeah, I did. That's what I wound up doing. I wound up editing it in the assembly. And I normally, I used to do that, but like I was saying earlier, I had stopped doing that because, probably because the way I set up my assembly or whatever, it made my computer run a little slow. It got a little unstable, so I didn't trust it. So I normally don't do that. But because this is kind of a complex shapes that I'm trying to do, instead of trying to bounce back and forth, switch between models and trying to get it right, I'm trying to just edit it in here. So thank you very much. That is what I am doing. So last thing I need to do is try to get this curve. Now I just learned how to do splines a little bit. So I'm going to try to do a spline in a minute. But first I think I'm going to try to shear off some of this edge. Let me see how this is supposed to even see how these are supposed to meet up. Now I don't know how somebody like, and that's part of the reason why I've created this show, because I don't know how someone else would have approached the same thing, how they would have approached this assembly, this shape, creating the shape of the radio and then creating the parts. I don't know. And the bump the overall large assembly, basically this piece and this piece, I created those together. But the bumpers were kind of secondary afterthoughts, so to speak. So I'm now creating them. Okay, yeah. I mean, that's cool. I'm just kind of, I'm saying it, as thoughts, and then, I hope people maybe catch the rerun or the replay of the episode, and maybe they can put comments in it later. But yeah, so these bumpers I designed afterwards, and so I didn't create them in the original shape. Let me see here. Yeah, we sound like we're on the same page. Yep. And didn't do the cuts. Yep. So it sounds like I'm not off. I'm not out of the ballpark in the way I did it. So that's cool. I don't feel bad about it. The main thing is, as long as we get it done. Oh, hey, how did you? Oh, solid edge. Yeah, I think I've only touched solid. Oh, this is wrong. This piece right here is wrong. I gotta fix that curve. I never really touched. I think I used solid edge once. I started out with AutoCAD, of course, AutoCAD, and then I wound up using Pro E. I went to work for Lithonia Lighting in Decatur, who's now Acuity Brands, I believe, or something like that. And so they're competitive. And so I used no, I take that back. I went to Herman Miller, so the place that makes all the nice chairs, or that used to make all the chairs and the conference tables and stuff. I worked for Herman Miller for a little bit, and they used Pro E, and that was really weird. It was hard. That was hard for me to get used to. And then somewhere in there, I want to say I may have touched Solid Edge. And then eventually I came back to Marietta up this way, and I wound up working for a company that used Solidworks. And ever since I used Solidworks, I've been trying to use Solidworks. I got you. Solid Edge, Pro E, Solidworks, AutoCAD, Solid Edge. Oh wow, bookend. I see. I don't even see, but you know what? I never even hear Solid Edge until you mentioned it. I forgot all about it. It must be a certain just certain industries use it or something. How about CATIA? I don't think I ever touched CATIA. I did like Inventor. I guess I don't know if Fusion 360 just replaced Inventor, or if anybody sheet metal. Okay, maybe that makes sense then. Okay, I got you. All right, cool. All right, let me see if I can shave this this piece off. Let's see if I can do this. All right, so I'm gonna edit this. So how's your stream been? Solid Edge and Solidworks are big competitors though. Yeah, I can imagine. Solid edit part. It's kind of like I was gonna say Walgreens and CVS, but I guess that's Solidworks and Solid Edge. Okay, what game are you playing now? I saw it. I'd never seen that game before. Actually, I was watching. Yeah, what's the name of it? I didn't really understand exactly how the game worked, but it was interesting. How am I gonna do this? What plane am I gonna do? Can you do this on this plane? Okay. Yeah, you have to hit me to all that stuff. I don't know. How long do you stream? How long do you stream and play? Sketch. Let's see. Can I sketch on that surface? Did I say edit sketch? Let me go back on here. Discard and fix. Oh, I got you. Man, aren't you gonna be? Won't you be tired tomorrow though? That's why I actually have so I got 14 minutes left on this stream. So I actually have a timer up. I'm making this out of PLA. I'm 3D printing it. Mainly PLA, just because it's I'm still somewhat new to 3D printing, but it's been pretty forgiving and pretty good. And I want to do it out of some stronger plastics, but for starters, I'll use PLA. So oh, that's right. I forgot. Oh, yeah, you're right. I forgot all about that. Yeah, I don't have any problem with temperature for the most part, just for starters. But I would like to use I want to do like nylons and stuff like that. But right now, just for the overall shape, PLA is gonna be fine. As long as I don't keep it, as long as I don't put it in the car like on the dash or something, I'm good. Yeah, I seen the carbon fiber, but I hear the carbon fiber. I mean, you don't really get any kind of. I think you get the heat, but you don't get any kind of strength or rigidity. Like I think. Let me see. Hold on for a second. Let me make this cut through. Cut. Let's just do all. Okay, let's see. That I didn't totally get it. I think it needed to go a little bit lower. But actually it did get it. Okay, cool. Let's do this. I got it. All right, so let me see here. Yeah, I hadn't really thought about when I was going to get a printer. I looked at resin for a minute or whatever, but then I saw or felt it was like, for what I want to do, FDM is going to be better. It's quicker. I didn't want to get my hands all messy and how the chemicals and all that stuff, blah blah blah. And I mean, if you, I'm going to have a printer cam. I don't have it set up yet, but I'll have a printer cam where you can see the printers. Like while I'm working, I might be doing CAD. You can see the printer printing as well. The volume I have on my Creality Ender 5. Oh, you can check it out if you go to if you have a chance, you can go to the blog. Oh, I can put it in here. trsrobotics@blogspot.com. Let me put it in here if you ever want to check it out. TRS Robotics. trsrobotics.blogspot.com. TRS Robots. Ah, shoot. I don't know my thing. TRS Robotics. I think this is it. Yeah, you can check that out. You can see my my Ender 5 and my Ender 7, I think. Yeah, but it's there. But what I was saying was the build volume on my Ender 5 is just great. So I'm so glad I got it. Yeah, I'm right now I'm breaking it up. I'm just doing it for an hour because because it's late in the evening or whatnot, and I'm still trying to figure out what the schedule is going to be like, how I should do it. You know, you're my official first guest, first person in the chat. Shout out to Evil Cutie Cosplay. But yeah, you're the first person in the chat, so I don't know what the schedule is going to be like yet. I streamed yesterday. I'm streaming tonight. I probably won't Thursday and Friday. May pick it back up on Sunday. So that's kind of what I'm thinking about right now. I really, be honest, I want to do it in the daytime because this is really what I'd rather be doing. Yeah. During in the daytime, you know what I'm saying, and then have the leisure if I want to stream in the evening I can, but I'd rather do it in the day. Oh, we got somebody else in the chat. Holla. Good evening. Thank you for tuning in. Even if you're coming to visit your friend, it's all right. It's a party here. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for the host. The hostess with the mostest. Appreciate the host. And the helping out. Thanks. I appreciate it. Good looking out. Hope if you stop by, I hope we're doing CAD over here. It's not necessarily a game. If it is a game, it's a one player. This is the campaign. Wait, are you talking to me? Or are you talking to Soul Thief? Yeah, CAD is again. Yeah, the program we use it at VI is definitely a game. Let me get this. Let me get this. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this before I forget. 8 minutes left on the clock. Sketch. Let's see if I can do this. Come on. I can't rotate. It's acting funny. There we go. Give me that spline. Oh. Let's see here. Okay, we got that one. I think I can do this whole thing in one spline. I need a little bit more practice with that. Okay, let's undo that one. I didn't do it right. Spline. Click there. There we go. I got that. All right, come on. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking. Whoa. Hold on. Let me get this. I think I should have did 3 points. Because this isn't really a curve over here. I don't know if I should use the spline, but I'm gonna try it. And I'm trying. I think I need a 3rd point. I don't think that was good. Oh, come on. I'm gonna not do that. Hold on. I'm gonna take this off. There's no way to do it. Tolerance. Yeah, you're right. Tolerance. I'm guessing is the one. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I've definitely run into that. I still haven't really gotten myself. I'm gonna start from this other side. Acclimated to, like, I need to print me out like a bearing tester. Like, go in there and make a whole bunch of sizes of bearings, and then print it out so that I know the right. Yeah, this is probably a better way to do it. So that's something I need to do. Just go in and pick like a bunch of standard sizes of bearings that I normally use, and I don't know. I should have done it that way. Let's go. Unfortunately, I'm kind of getting some of my Photoshop. The things I do in Photoshop and the things I do in Solidworks, because in Photoshop I won't worry about some of the shapes and things, whereas in Solidworks, really, I probably shouldn't do that. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Oh no, it didn't snap. What happened? 4 minutes left on the clock. So far, I have what is that? A grab function. Grab function. The curve before the cut. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at that definitely, because I'm not. That might be a good way for me to do that. Let me see here. Okay, so hit that. Let me hit. All right, I think we got through it. But yeah, definitely, man. I like. Oh shoot. I messed up somewhere. Intersecting contour. Let's see. Hold on. What is my print? The build volume? Oh shoot. 350 millimeters by 350 millimeters by 400, I think. For the hold on. What is? Oh, my nozzle size is they're all 0.4, I think. They're all. Let me delete this one. Something's not right. Okay, this isn't right. All right, let's try this again. Two minutes on the clock. My favorite tune, one of my favorite tunes is on deck. Let's see if we can get it. Get hype. Hype train. Nitro. About to turn it up. One, two, three, got the beat. Yes. Drop it. All right. I won't get too deep. Track is kind of hype though. I really enjoy it. All right, so I think I did finally get this. 1 minute to spare. Let me see if I can extrude and cut this thing. So I did make some progress, and thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out a little bit and giving me some pointers. I will check out that link. I think that'd be great. That's another reason. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh. I see there's an error somewhere, but I'll go and fix that. But look at that. Check that out. That's pretty darn close. I am pretty happy. Let me see here. I would shave off about 0.4 for tolerance off the surface. Did a touch. Thank you. But that's just me. Then again, you're the EU, right? Height train. No problem. I've just been working. I agree. Okay. I agree. And I thank you very much. Yeah, that's that. But yeah, hey, we got it. So tonight was a very productive night. Check it out. Let's look at the report. So we started out, let me see this. So we started out this evening. My goal was to try to trim out this second bumper plate. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I trim out this second bumper plate. I got a couple little pieces to take care of right here, but that's fine. But I got it, man. That was something that I had been contemplating about for a minute. I still have to put the holes in it, but all that stuff I can do tomorrow or the next stream. So yeah, I'll cut the holes. I'll trim that up. I think that'll look pretty nice. Now, I didn't know, originally I wanted the front to be orange. So just side note, full disclosure, right? You see how the edge of my controller is orange. So originally I was going to do this one like that as well. I was going to make, I was going to do these in orange, but I don't know if, I don't think I like the way it looks. I don't think I like the way it hey, Fee, are you good at appearance? Because I hadn't really done a lot with the appearance. I changed colors and stuff, but I've never done like textures. Not really. Let me see here. Yeah, see, I thought about doing this. Oh, Robotronics 09 is my Twitch gamer name. I'm just gonna keep it. You can say that, or you can say DBP. Oh yeah, at Robotronics is what, if you want to mention it, though, is at Robotronics 09. Yeah, that's what it is. So I don't know if I want to roll with this orange on the edge. That was the original idea. I don't know, but it's 3D printed, so I can change colors at will. All right, what we got here? Some part view painter, as I see, but I don't know. I work with metal mostly, so yeah. Robo, just call me that, at Robotronics. All right, we are a little over time, but this is it. Thank you very much. We got it. Thank you, Evil Cutie. Thank you. Haha. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining and hanging out with me on the stream and helping me with the with some Solidworks tips. So yeah, we're going to stop it right here. I'm going to make sure I hit that save button again. So yeah, if you check this out, on the repost. I am Robotronics 09. You are watching Design by Purpose. we will be streaming. I don't know what the schedule's going to be yet, but we'll figure it out. Well, this is on my second stream, so I hadn't been doing any rating or anything yet. We're still trying to figure it out. We're trying to figure out what's going on. I haven't been using my Twitch in a long time, because I hadn't really been playing. I was playing games, but I'm not that good that I figured people would want to watch, so that's why I kind of laid off on that. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to sit on your class, and you have to teach me how to use this stuff. Raid username. Okay, raid username. So, all right. So we know how to raid. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Evil Cutie Cosplay. I am going to sign off and call it a night. I will be back on probably. You'll see. I don't know what the schedule's going to be yet, but this is what we'll be doing for a while until I get this controller built, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much. I will catch you later. Thank you. Bye. Hey. What's going on here? My thing isn't working. Okay, let's see. All right, well, maybe I'm just going to be streaming for the rest of the night because I can't sign off. Yeah, I'll try not to. Let me see here. If I can sign off. Can I sign off? Why is it not working?